Any questions? सब सो रहे हो कि उठ गए हो कि चले गए हो? यहाँ पे तो दिखाई दे रहा है बहुत सारे हो, तो अगर उठे हुए हो तो फीडबैक ही दे दो यार, कुछ और नहीं।
I liked इनका I don't know what is his name. Melody Singers Group Mumbai, the one speaker who was talking now. Sorry.
सुरेश
I was
कुकरेजा।
working actually. नहीं मैं काम भी कर रही हूँ आज, बहुत busy
कोई
हूँ.
गल नहीं इश्मीन,
I was
इश्मीन इज
listening,
इन
मैं
यूएसए।
AirPods लगा के सुन भी रही थी पूरा.
हाँ कोई गल नहीं, कोई गल नहीं। सुरेश कुकरेजा है इनका नाम, इनसे पहले वाले का नाम हितेश भाटिया था। बोलिए।
हाँ जी, मुझे उनका एक बहुत अच्छा लगा दोनों का, जो मैं सुन रही थी और जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस भी है लाइफ का. दे बोथ टोल्ड कि उन्होंने बहुत बिजनेसेस किए, लाइक सो इट्स one of my friend recently told me it's same thing happened with me. I did so many business and finally I'm in something now, new venture. Okay, so my friend she explained me, and I agree with this both the speakers today. We are not the failures, or we are like, we have experienced. Every business has taught us something, so we can, like, लोगों के लिए ठीक है, लोग तो बहुत आसानी से कह देते हैं अरे तुम्हारे लिए क्या है, you can do anything, like they make fun of us, like they think like we are like what they say, jack of all the trades and master of none, right? So but it's not so. Whatever we do or whatever business we did in our life, we learned something.
Of course.
So it's all experience, and I agree with these two speakers. They told the same thing, when you asked, and Anudhi, आप बार बार insist कर रहे थे उनको कि आपने कितने बिजनेस किए, आपने कौन से बिजनेस किए, पर उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ मैंने बिजनेस किए, पर लेकिन like what I learned, like what I was listening, that he was not a failure in businesses में, like even if he kept changing, but he learned something, right, from every.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I think this is what my friend also told me last week. I'll come up. I video on kar leti hu.
शुक्रिया।
नहीं, I'm done with my other meeting. So we are not the failures. हमने अगर इतने businesses किए हैं, तो definitely hats to you guys. Both the speakers really motivated me more today. That I'm not a failure. I'm not a failure. We are learning something in every business, like in every field, right? Thank you so much. Thanks, Anuti.
Thank you. किसी और ने कोई feedback देनी है? Are you going to give some feedback? If you can unmute yourself and say, that will be so good, because auditorily when your speakers hear what you're saying, it gets really nice. People are writing down that they really had great learnings today. Great learnings. Yes, please. Unmute.
Hello.
Yes, talk about it.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, my name is Binakshi and I'm from US. And I joined this group for the first time and it was awesome from all point of view. Okay. And I think so. Hopefully next time I might be able to join, because we are working at these hours. But it was excellent.
Thank you so much. Send me your number, send me your message, and I will add you to the group.
Actually, I'm Bharat's wife, Bharat Jani, who joins from US.
Wonderful.
So actually, he told me, like, if you have a time today, why don't you go? So it was my lunchtime, break time, and I'm working from home right now. So it was awesome. So I just wanted to
thank you so much.
Tell everybody that all of them were nice, and we learned so many things from you guys. So awesome.
So
and
much.
Have a nice one.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to share? Thank you so much. कोई और शेयर करना चाहेगा, शेयर बनके कुछ बोलना चाहेगा, कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहेगा?
Thank you for this initiative. It's really very nice. First time I attended.
You're from where, Shilpa?
Hello.
आप कहाँ से हैं, शिल्पा?
I'm from Mumbai.
Oh, wonderful.
Mumbai से हूँ मैं.
Mumbai.
I think there is issue with my phone.
That's okay.
Mumbai,
as long as
Kandivali.
It's okay.
So first time it's really very nice to like listen to all the
Shilpa, I realized over a period of
people on the first time I heard all this thing and I like it very
Namaste,
and
Shilpa ji.
I just not able to wrote down
Don't worry, Shilpa.
your number.
Put your
Can you please
message.
give
I will say
your
my number
number?
again. Please put the message down in the chat because we couldn't hear you. My number is 9930898116. For everybody, once again, my number is 9930898116. Send me a message so that I can put you on a group where the invites come every time. I will be adding Hitesh as well as Suresh Kukreja onto that group. So any other inputs, any other feedbacks or questions?
No.
Thank
Hello?
you.
Hello.
Yes. Who's that? Yes,
Hey,
hi. Tell me.
Hi, this is Meghna here.
Hi, Meghna.
Yeah, it was a very nice experience when I met Sureshji for the first time. It was so motivating. Never looked down upon anybody and mixed with everybody and all. And what I learned from him, and I myself have learned that also I have struggled a lot, but one thing in life I've learned is never to give up.
Never to give up.
your dreams. Yes. At any stage, don't give up. That's what I learned in life. I'm happy
Wonderful.
to see that Sureshji also keeps the same thinking. So we also have to go on every time, come what may.
Yes.
I really enjoyed this lecture.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate everybody's support. Anybody else would like to share? Don't just sit back. It just takes 2 minutes to spread a smile. All you need to do is unmute yourself and give a feedback if you have one.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, Aarti.
Okay, so for me, the take from the sessions have been, obviously it's about, life, everything is teaching. And I think I picked this thing from you first when you had told me, nothing goes for a waste in life. And from that point of time, from everything what I thought also in my life, that maybe I learned certain, even to, you do so many, sometimes you feel, okay, this is the thing that's going to help me. And when you feel, no, this was not the thing that helped me actually. And then you question yourself, why did you do it also? But then when you said that, and when I turned back and looked into my life, it just made me feel that, yeah, it's made me what I am today. Even those experiences which were not really positive, which I am seeing is not positive, but actually those are the experience which has taught me. And these both the speakers today have just kind of validated and kind of integrated that thing in a very beautiful way. So thank you very much. It was great learning from their life experiences, because what life teaches you from your own experiences when you're speaking, it's completely different.
It's completely different, guys. I learned so many modalities, healing modalities, but I really realized that those are just parts of me. But who am I and who are these people? It's not the modality that keeps you alive, it's your spirit. And today's people's spirits are dying. That's why they're committing suicide. But if we can keep that spirit alive, you just need another person. A little child, when he looks back, he wants to see his father there nodding his head and giving him a smile and saying, it's okay beta, so what if the cycle fell down? फिर से उठो, फिर से बैठो और फिर से राइड करो और तुम्हें ये साइकिल चलाने आ जाएगी. तो क्या हुआ अगर गिर गए? अगर यही मेंटालिटी से हम अपनी सारी जिंदगी जी लेना, तो कभी गिरने को हम गिरना नहीं मानेंगे, शायद उसे अपॉर्चुनिटी मानेंगे. Every fall in your life is just an opportunity that's going to take you closer and closer to what you want to do. And as everyone said, I don't have one song, I have 3 songs. We don't have one thing, we have so much to share. So I really thank each and every one of you. If you're up to it, I'm going to give you 5 minutes of sound so that all of you go back home in a much better way. Would you like to wait? Somebody needs to you just need to unmute and tell me, or put it on the chat and say, yes, you're okay with the sound for another 5 minutes, I will play my sound bowls for you guys so that you can be in a better place. So give me a signal if you want me to do that.
Yes.
Yes, surely.
Wonderful. So all I want you guys to do is wherever you're sitting down, you will be chanting Om to yourself, and